In this video we are going to be analysing ANPC because it is one of the leading gappers today. So to get straight into it, where do we see it going from now? So currently we're sitting around 37 cents and we do have resistances around 58 cents. And you can see actually that is our first deviation on the daily, and that is exactly the peak of today. And so since then we have sold off, and this would be the level we would look to retest. If we were able to break past here, we would be looking at 71 cents and then $1.05. Pushing past here, we then have $1.38, going to $1.72, and then final levels at $2.80 and a final one at $4. So those are going to be our key resistances to the upside. So now to go down to our support levels to the downside, what are we focusing on? And really where we are now is actually a key support level around 37-38 cents is our first deviation on the 4 hour. So we do expect support to be here. And now this is kind of a key level. We are going to be watching this. If it can hold, we see buying pressure come in, expect a push back to 58 cents. However, if we break a bit below here, come back, retest it and sell off, it might be clear actually on a intraday chart, and as of right now we can kind of say yeah, it's coming back, retesting it, but buying pressure isn't coming in, which does indicate if the sellers take control, we will expect to push down to our next support level. And where would this support level be? And really we don't have too many deviations close, as you can see. That was really the only one we have, so we would have to either use our half deviation on the 4 hour, which would be 20 cents, or we would be paying attention to the gap fill at 22 cents. So really if we break below this 38 cent level, or kind of 38-37 cents level, then expect a very far push down to the gap fill at around 22 cents. So I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on ANPC. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video here.